Welcome to Pine Ridge Mountain Resort. It's one of Invermere, BC's new subdivisions. It's located at the back of Invermere. It has its own community park, and there's lots of vacant lots available for you to build your dream home here. And most of the homes and lots have spectacular views. Welcome to 1834 Pine Ridge Mountain Trail, located in Invermere, BC, and one of Invermere's newest subdivisions, Pine Ridge Mountain Resort. Just imagine being on your own front covered porch, looking at all these trees and mountains. What an amazing evening. Let's go in and take a look at this home now. As we enter the home, there's a den right at the front of the house and a half bath powder room. Let's make our way into the living space. Off to the right there is a master bedroom we'll visit shortly. And here's our living room with the nice big vaulted ceiling, bamboo flooring. And what I like about this most is this beautiful rock fireplace that has wood heat. As we go over here into the dining area, it's a nice big table with that seats 8 comfortably and has views out the window. The kitchen boasts cherry cabinets and granite countertops. Another convenient feature is this room heading off into the pantry, the laundry, and the garage that also has a door going from the front entry. How convenient having the master bedroom on the main floor and its own door to the deck. And again, another nice south-facing window with the master ensuite right here. Beautiful glass shower, tiled floors that are heated, your built-in cabinets, and of course the his and her sinks that are granite countertop once again. Let's go downstairs and see what we find. We have a 4-piece bath right here, some storage, we have the utility room, and we have an absolutely massive rec room and games room that looks like a lot of fun. There's 2 more bedrooms for more guests and more family, I guess. And here is this fabulous countertop wet bar with a dishwasher and mini fridge. We're heading upstairs now, where there are 2 more bedrooms and a really nice big loft area. You can choose to have extra guests or a kids gaming zone, video zone, office, whatever you choose. The window is facing north, so you will get some nice views there as well. Here's your second bedroom and another full 4-piece bed. Here's the deck, fully covered on one side, nice and open on the other, and plenty of room for a large party. There's some view. What I'll show you next is absolutely stunning. We have our fire pit over here, the entrance to Pine Ridge Mountain Resort, and of course the scenery deck, the one where you get to look right at the Rocky Mountains and Lake Windermere. The owner of this lot purchased this home particularly because of the size of the lot. It was at the end of the cul-de-sac and this view. Thank you for watching this video. I'm DK Rice with Team Rice at Royal LePage, Rockies West Realty, serving the Columbia Valley in the beautiful